Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to log in and access the CrossFuse eLearning. So just an overview, the CrossFuse eLearning platform is created to free people from the classroom and indeed the training center and allowing training to take place on a genuinely as needed basis classroom training. With the program, employees will have flexible access to web-based video materials and practice with quizzes. We've also structured courses to be convenient and interactive so agents have a convenient avenue to learn. Courses available are Customer Service 101, English Pronunciations, Prepositions, Grammar, Voice and Accent, Effective Communication, and campaign-specific courses. Let's get started. Okay. You can actually log in three ways. Okay, so first, once a specific course is assigned, an email notification will be sent showing what course it is and a link to the e-learning website. So another way to access e-learning is via Trek Kiosk. So the website for Trek Kiosk would be treknet kiosk :94, and you will be directed to the login screen. So just log in with your Chroniker username and password, and the e-learning link is up here. Just click on that and it will direct you to the e-learning login screen. Or you can just simply go to the website itself, which is warlock:98, and it will direct you to the e-learning login screen. Okay, so once you're on the website, just have to log in with your Chroniker username and password and click the sign in button. There, so this is how the homepage looks like. So you see on top it says course in progress and completed courses. Okay, so past agents, these numbers are the total agent who passed the quizzes, and the three and this number shows the incompleted courses. Okay, so on the left side you'll see home and then courses. So if you want to view your courses, just click on the view courses tab and you see all the courses that has been assigned. Okay, so let's try the first course, Customer Service 101. If you click on the view details there, so it will show you the course name and the course description, and you have 2 days to complete the course. So click on apply course. Okay. It should give you a notification that says you are successfully applied to the selected course. Just click on OK. And the course will automatically show on your home page. Okay, so if you notice, 0 for the progress and 0 for the score. So it shows the date you're enrolled and the completion date and also the time. Okay, so you just click on the highlighted title and it shows here, do you want to take the exam? Just click yes, and the video will automatically start, and the counter on the top will indicate the minutes spent on a course. So you need to finish the course once you begin. Otherwise, if you go back to stop the video or just stop the video, it will take you back from the start. You can't skip forward a video. So once a video is done, click on proceed and go to the next post test. So you need to finish the first video first. Okay, so if you notice, this course is almost an hour. Okay, so once you finish the first video, you click on proceed. Okay, so normally what happens is if you go back, for example, you stop the video and you need other things to do. If you click on the home page, there it will shows already you got 50% in progress, but it's still not gonna show the scores as of the moment until you finished the post test. Okay, so also to reinforce learning and get the most value out of a course, you also have access to the course videos or all the courses that has been completed. If you click on the video library, so these are the 3 courses that has been completed. So if you click on Speak English Naturally, it will the one on the left will show you the video list. So you have access to go back to all the videos that you have completed without taking the post test again. Okay, let's go back to home. And if you haven't finished the video yet or a specific course, if you click on the blue highlighted link, there it will give you a notification that's saying you have already taken this course. Do you want to take this again? Okay, so all the progress will reset. Okay, so it will go back to 0 and you need to start the course again. Okay, so a few important reminders when taking any of the e-learning courses: that you always have a lead, a QA, or a more senior agent to oversee when taking a course. And you don't have to log in into e-learning on 2 or more windows or tabs. Because this might cause errors or conflict when taking the exam. You just have to open just one browser and one tab on the PC. If you don't want to close all your tools and would rather take the exam on a different PC, just let the QA know and we'll find another PC for you that is available. And when you're ready to take the exam, make sure that you have allotted time so you can take it in one go, starting on an exam and then closing your browser or hitting back when you are halfway through an exam might cause errors and you might not be able to take the exam again. So for courses that requires you to watch a video before taking an exam, mostly all the courses has a post test. So we want you to take notes as you do. Okay, often post-test questions specifically relates to the video that you just watched. Okay, and if you're done with the post-test, it will show here if you passed or you failed. And if you need to retake the exam, there's gonna be a retake option next to the action, and a notification will be sent to the admin so that they can retake your exam. So once you're done, you can just click sign out, and that's how you log in and access e-learning. If you have questions, send me an email. Thank you.